political arena. Congress General Secretary Jairam Ramesh has hit out at Prime Minister Modi on remarks he made on Manipur in the Rajya Sabha. Jairam Ramesh has stated that the northeastern state has been burning for over 16 months, but the Prime Minister has still not visited the state. And neither has he met Manipur's Chief Minister or spoken to political leaders in the state. Jairam Ramesh also maintains that whatever PM Modi has said in the Rajya Sabha is completely contrary to the reality. The people of Manipur are asking why the Prime Minister is not coming. Jairam Ramesh has further stated that even during the election campaign, the Prime Minister visited Tripura and Assam, but not Manipur. Let's listen into a statement.
मंत्री ने अपनी चुप्पी नहीं क्यों नहीं तोड़ी? मेरा यही सवाल है, प्रधानमंत्री ने चुप्पी क्यों नहीं तोड़ी? प्रधानमंत्री मुख्यमंत्री से क्यों ने मुलाकात की? क्यों उनसे बात नहीं की? सांसदों से बात नहीं की? विधायकों से बात नहीं की? तो प्रधानमंत्री को अपनी चुप्पी तोड़नी चाहिए थी ना इसके पहले। और दुनिया भर के देशों में जाते रहते हैं, विश्व गुरु हैं, अपने आप को विश्व गुरु अपने आप को घोषित कर दिया है, पर मणिपुर जा नहीं सकते। क्यों नहीं? वो एक चुनाव के प्रचार के समय असम गए थे, त्रिपुरा गए थे, मणिपुर बीच में पड़ता है, मणिपुर जा सकते थे। मणिपुर कुछ 6 घंटे के लिए जा सकते थे। एक संकेत जाता था ना, एक सिग्नल जाता था कि प्रधानमंत्री चिंतित हैं।
My colleague Anand Singh joins us live on the broadcast with more details. Anand, it seems that the war words between the ruling party and the opposition continues to escalate. Jairam Ramesh has now hit out at Prime Minister Modi after the statement PM Modi had made in the Rajya Sabha with regards to Manipur. Jairam Ramesh has once again questioned the Prime Minister for not visiting the state.
Yeah, look, Jairam Ramesh has clearly made it clear that Prime Minister has not visited Manipur, and he questioned Prime Minister's intentions that Manipur has been burning since May 3 last year. And the Congress and the entire opposition has been questioning that why the Prime Minister is silent on the issue of Manipur while he spoke in the parliament about Manipur for about 2-3 minutes. And he said that the situation in Manipur is normal. So hitting back at the Prime Minister, Jairam Ramesh said whatever the Prime Minister has mentioned about Manipur in parliament is completely contrary to the ground reports and ground situation, because still the violence is happening over there. Still people are forced to leave their homes. And then he also asked why the Prime Minister is not visiting this northeastern state, despite the fact that he has visited Assam, Tripura and several other northeastern states during the Lok Sabha elections earlier this year. So he said while the Prime Minister is claims to be a Vishnu Guru and he keeps on visiting several other countries and several other states, why can't he spare his 6 hours of time and visit the state of Manipur? And why can't he go there and console the people and give them the message that peace is required in Manipur, and soon the government will work on that front. Back to you.
For more such videos, subscribe to the NewsX YouTube channel, hit the bell icon.